Well, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'll share with you guys another project called SolarX. So right now guys, they are launching on the 24th of May 15 CET or 1300 UTC. So I actually already created a video guys regarding SolarX, and we will just give you guys an update to it. But for those of you who do not know what SolarX is, so if we go down here and scroll down, so SolarX is a cloud mining platform designed not only to revolutionize how individuals engage with SXCH mining rigs, but also to serve as utility for the SXCH token. So what is SolarX guys? So SolarX is a crypto mining rig that uses solar to use as energy on their mining rigs. So let's scroll up here. So let's go back for now. So right now they are launching on the 24th of May on 1500 CET and 1300 UTC. So we'll quickly go through guys on their website, and I'll show you guys why you have to invest in the SolarX right now. So for now, let's scroll down so you can see the network information, total panel support, circulation SXCH supply. So I already discussed about crypto mining. So welcome to the world's first cryptocurrency miner powered by the sun. So you have 50 hours mining with a single charge capability of grid mining operations and generating passive income through mining. So you can mine during the days using the sustainable mining, where you reduce your carbon footprint and electric cost by using renewable energy sources. So 24/7 mining using the stored electricity during the day. So you can mine cryptocurrency around the clock, maximizing your earnings. So it's an easy setup guys using their platform that is designed to be user friendly, so you can set up your own mining operations with ease. So you can also mine during the night, so I already talked about that. So zero expenses using the solar panels. So the first blockchain, so SolarX blockchain, will mark a groundbreaking milestone by allowing projects not only to build on layer 1 but also to conduct mining operation within its framework. So you can see here the eco-friendly blockchain token mechanism, host mining, staking, mining autonomy, additional coins, and off-grid mining. So you can also have the X mobile app, so it will be available on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. So this is where you can check your mining rig and you can see how much you're earning already. So the SolarX token powering the ecosystem. So there are different use cases for this token. You can use the SolarX blockchain, SolarX app, CloudX coin, CloudX device, GridX coin, SolarX exchange, charging points for EV, charging points for e-bikes, and microgrids. So you can see here guys the different use cases for the token. So we also have the burning, so burning mechanism employed on mining supply, 10% of all cash in tokens from the miners. So you can also see here guys their roadmap. So right now they are done on Q1 of 2024. Next is the Q2 of 2024, where their token will be listed on CEX, on DEX, and the SolarX conference, blockchain testnet, mining rigs, and mining rigs will also be dispatched. So next is the tokenomics guys. So you can see the different breakdowns here. So a big part of that is the mining, which is around 22.8%. So you can also see guys their core team here. So we have Glenn Grant, which is the CEO, Blunt Alu, Arben Sila, Janik Roloff. So there are a lot more guys, and you can check this out on their website. You can also get the newsletter by using your email here and hitting the subscribe button. So I also talked about guys on SolarX on my other video where I get more in-depth to this one. So now guys, we'll proceed on why you should already invest and check this project guys. So for now, let's go on to the X website. So right now on Tencent.io, so Tencent Launchpad, vote confirmed. So the community voted for SolarX coin with a whopping 91%. So the first round of IDO will begin on May 3, so it already started guys, and the 7-day claim back policy will be enabled. So we also have for this one guys, so on the SolarX, we are happy to announce that Glenn Grant has joined SolarX as our new CEO. So you can already check his first AMA on Discord. So you can check this out guys on the SolarX on Twitter. So for now, we'll go on to the CoinGecko. So here guys, you can see CoinGecko and the SolX USDT. So right now guys, their price is on $0.001. So right now guys, they are on the support layer on the trading platform. So as you can see, this is the best time for you to join and invest on SolarX before they release on the May of 24th. So if you guys are interested in joining or investing in SolarX, you can check their Telegram page or their other social networks so you can get familiar guys with their vision on this project. So always remember guys that you should do your own research first before you invest in any of the projects that I share with you. So if you guys think that this is something that caught your attention, please do comment on this video and I wanna know your thoughts about it. So thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next one.